Hello guys, I'm Jose from Accura. I would like to explain some of the trades of the signals we have in the chart and the rules. Let's go. Okay, let's start with this one on the left. First rule, the signal appears above of the channel. Okay. Okay. Second rule, breaks appears, breaks the level. This case is a 0, 0 level. Okay. So second rule, it's okay. Third one is we have the TP here, TP2 here, TP1. Okay, we have we are not so close of the level, so we have this space for the trade develop. So okay, and last, we don't have a divergence in the trade. So here we have this MACD rising. No problem. Okay, so no divergence. When we can exit from this trade? Okay, when we touch the level, if we have the take profit there, we can take it, because we have a small divergence here, because this don't change the side of the zero level, like here red, green, green, red, green. Okay, so it's a continuous divergence. Just advice of the possible reverse. So here we can exit, or when we are here we can move the stop loss in this low to this low. We can be sure this is profit, and then the price trace and goes to TP2. When this price break here, we can move the stop again to this level, and when the price is here, we can move the stop to this level, and finally we have TP2. So it's a very good entry, really. Now we can see the second one. We have this arrow. First of one, we have about the channel. Yes. We have a broken level. Yes. We have a space to the next level. Yes. So we have 3 yes. But let's check if the divergence is clear or not, and we can see a big divergence here. So price maybe can do that, and down. On this case, price directly goes down to the channel. So we have this double divergence in the MACD and in the OSMA of the MACD. The histogram of the MACD is the OSMA. We can trade this. I will explain in a big group about how to trade professional divergence like this, how to put the stop, how to take the profit, the risky profit, the less risk profit, base of the Bollinger, MA, channel, etc. Okay, so this signal we should avoid, because we have a big divergence. This is a perfect entry, this is a good entry, but with that divergence is the risky one, so we avoid that. Again, we follow the chart and see another one entry. Okay, we have the channel. Okay, we have the break of the level. Well, it's okay, but the entry is really more close or closer from the top level than from the bottom level. So this is a risky trade. I like to wait to break this level, like here, and retest and go. We can take this, yes, we can take this, we can put in the previous low here or here stop loss, and we can take put the take profit at least all the time 1 on 1, never less than 1 on 1. So here we can take the profit. Okay, we can move the stop and reduce the risk. But if we see, we have that divergence here. Okay, so this is one point of the exit. Divergence continues, price rise, MACD downs. So this is another point of exit. MACD downs, price up. This is clearly a big divergence because we have another, and this is telling us that the price finally will go out. In this case, down. Well, like I said before, we will see how to trade this divergence, not only based on the break of the trend line, more advanced techniques. Now the price take the divergence, break the level, the channel, sorry, and we have a signal here with an entry point here. Let's do more clear. Okay, the price is with a space, both levels, so this is a good entry. We have a divergence, not price is doing the same that MACD is falling, so it's okay for trade. We have we put one take profit here with maybe this change of the fractal price, because if we put here we must put longer, but also it's okay. One here, and the two take profit maybe can be here. Okay, price goes, take profit, we can move the stop here, or even we can do it tight, but maybe the best is the last fractal here. And when price goes down, and finally this is the point of reverse. Why we sold exit here? Well, we have a divergence again. Okay, so this is one point of exit, and this is the second point of exit. If we pass this, or we wanna risk more, just this difference of the price is better exit here. Okay, finally price reverse and goes to the level and range, back, and again and break. This level is in the channel, so if the price cross the channel, broke the level, and we have a signal, we can go to the next level, can be the round number, or pivot points like here also are interesting for TPs or stop loss. Okay, so this is all for today. I would like to people join to Telegram. I like to see in the future next advanced techniques for the divergence. So see you next day. Bye.